Alright, so I'm about to perform an experiment here inside of Subnautica 2. I'm going to see if the strike armor is 100% effective at absorbing all damage from the collector leviathan when he catches you inside your tadpole. So normally strike armor only reduces the damage by a bit when you have one of them, but they do stack. And when you stack them together, you functionally take no damage from basically anything, even smashing your face into rocks or getting attacked by the needler fish that shoot their spines at you. So we're just gonna go straight across the trench here and say screw it, I don't give a shit about the collector leviathan, because there's the boy right now. There's the boy. Yeah? Oh, who's a big scary guy? Yes, you are. Oh, hello. Yeah? Is that your professional opinion? Yep, he doesn't do any damage to me now. I can literally just ignore him. That's hilarious. Alright. And, yeah, I'm just currently playing on vanilla. This is just regular survival mode. I have just those two strike armors equipped. I don't have any other mods or anything installed. So currently, as of hot patch number 2, that still works to deflect literally all damage from pretty much every source. The only thing I haven't tested is if it changes how crush depth works. And if it stops the crush damage, that would be even funnier. Because then you effectively wouldn't even need to have a depth module until they patch that. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you become immortal inside of Subnautica 2, at least when you're driving around in a tadpole. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.